Ethereum cost truly equivalent to $1,909.44 a coin in a quite enormous manner. The present exchanged cost range $1,895.66–$1,918.24 in a genuinely significant way. The earlier day close $1,897.93 in a genuinely huge way. The change explicitly was plus 11.51, plus 0.61%. Which really is very critical. Converse rate, United States dollars to ETH in an unpretentious way. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, July 20, cost $1884, by and large greatest 2016, least 1752. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, July 21, cost $1872, genuinely most extreme 2003, kind of least 1741, which fundamentally is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $1864, greatest 1994, kind of least 1734. Which for the most part is very huge. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, July 25, cost $1857, most extreme 1987, certainly least 1727 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost $1795, extremely greatest 1921, genuinely least 1669, or so they thought. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, July 27, cost $1923, sort of most extreme 2058, certainly least 1788, which certainly is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $1916, truly greatest 2050, for the most part least 1782 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, July 31, cost $1914, truly most extreme 2048. Really least 1780 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $1932, fundamentally most extreme 2067, exceptionally least 1797 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days Ethereum figure on Wednesday, August 2, cost $1930, greatest 2065, least 1795, which sort of is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, August 3, cost $1925, truly greatest 2060, for the most part least 1790, which certainly is genuinely critical. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, August 4, cost $1950 in every practical sense, greatest 2087, sort of least 1814 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $1885, lovely most extreme 2017, essentially least 1753. Truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, August 8, cost $1860, truly greatest 1990, kind of least 1730. Truly further appearance how Ethereum cost truly equivalent to $1,909.44 a coin, which by and large is genuinely huge. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost $1841, especially most extreme 1970. By and large least 1712 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, August 10, cost $1858, essentially greatest 1988, least 1728, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $1871, genuinely greatest 2002, exceptionally least 1740 in a sort of large manner. Ethereum gauge on Monday, August 14, cost $1862, genuinely greatest 1992, lovely least 1732, or so they generally thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost $1944, really greatest 2080, essentially least 1808 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month Ethereum figure on Wednesday, August 16, cost $1970, truly greatest 2108, kind of least 1832. Or so they basically thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $1905, by and large greatest 2038, fundamentally least 1772 in a for the most part huge manner. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, August 18, cost $1936, really greatest 2072, essentially least 1800, which most certainly is very huge. United States dollars to ETH today. United States dollars to ETH conversion scale in every practical sense, equivalent to 0.5237 coins per $1,000. Or so they truly thought. Today's reach, 0.5213 0.5275 in an unpretentious way. The past day's nearby, 0.5269. So Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, July 28, cost $1916, genuinely most extreme 2050, really least 1782, which in a real sense is very huge. Change for now $0.0032 to Ethereum figure on Thursday, July 20, cost 0.531 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.571. Least 0.496 in a kind of significant way. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Friday, July 21, cost 0.534 coins, all things considered, greatest 0.574, especially least 0.499, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Monday, July 24, cost 0.536 coins, for the most part greatest 0.577. Genuinely least 0.502 in a genuinely significant way. United States dollars to ETH forecast on Tuesday, July 25, cost 0.539 coins, lovely most extreme 0.579, especially least 0.503 truly in spite of prevalent thinking. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum figure on Wednesday, July 26, cost 0.557 coins in every practical sense. Most extreme 0.599, exceptionally least 0.521, which really shows that Ethereum gauge on Thursday, August 10, cost $1858, greatest 1988, genuinely least 1728 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Thursday, July 27, cost 0.520 coins, truly greatest 0.559, least 0.486. Exhibiting how Ethereum estimate on Friday, August 18, cost $1936, sort of most extreme 2072, fundamentally least 1800, which generally is very critical. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Friday, July 28, cost 0.522 coins, certainly most extreme 0.561, truly least 0.488. Genuinely further appearance how Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost $1932, kind of greatest 2067, especially least 1797, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to ETH forecast on Monday, July 31, cost 0.522 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.562, especially least 0.488. Which basically is genuinely huge. Dollar to ETH